Alright, today I'm going to fix this ironing board. See how it's just ripping to shreds and it's just dirty and yucky. So I'm going to sew a new cover for this, and it's going to be really sassy. Zebra print fabric, you need about I'd say half a yard, and then some elastic and some batting. And that's all you need. So what you do is you take it apart, and you're gonna lay out the fabric that you're wanting to replace it with out underneath, and then you're gonna put the ironing board cover that's old or whatever on top of that, and you want to trace around the ironing board to create a pattern. But you want to do it I did about 2.5 inches bigger than the ironing board. So you're going to trace it, then you're going to cut it out. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to zigzag all of the raw edges on this fabric. Then you're going to fold it over and straight stitch to create a nice edge. Then you're going to fold that over about 1 inch, and you're going to leave an opening so this will fit the elastic through it and create the nice fit shape around the ironing board. So the batting wasn't too bad of condition, so I'm going to still keep that batting, but I'm going to add another layer of batting because it was pretty flat for an ironing board. So I just laid out some batting and cut out another section to the exact size of the other batting. Okay, so after that I just fed the elastic. I first attached a safety pin to the end of the elastic so I could easily fill it in between the fabrics, and I fed it all the way around, and then I placed the batting and the fabric onto the ironing board. And I pulled really tight, and I kind of rearranged the elastic and rearranged the fabric so it was completely secure and tight onto the ironing board. Then I tied a knot into the elastic so I can easily undo the knot and make it tighter if I wanted to. And that's how I refurbished my lovely small ironing board. I hope this helps. If you have an ironing board that has an ugly cover on it, you can easily replace it with, better fabric, better batting, and yeah, super easy. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.